We're working through the integral x cubed sine x dx, and we have a product here that looks to be an integration by parts product, and because it has this x cubed out front, I have an inkling that this will be a repeating integration by parts problem. So we'll start by setting u equal to x cubed. The derivative of u in this case is 3x squared. dv will be sine x, and integrating that to get v will give us negative cosine x. Now because this is integration by parts, we'll go across the top and then down and over. So we start off with negative x cubed cosine x minus the integral, and we have a 3 out front here, and we have a minus, so that makes this positive 3 times the integral x squared cosine x dx. And this is another integration by parts pair, so we'll set u now equal to x squared. The derivative of u in this case is 2x. We'll let dv equal cosine x, and we'll integrate that to find sine x as our v. Integration by parts once more, we'll go across and down over. So then we rewrite the first bit, minus x cubed cosine x plus 3 times now x squared sine x minus, we'll go down this way, we've got a 2 there out front, times the integral x sine x dx. And now we've got one final integration by parts pair, so we can let u equal x, the derivative of u equals the derivative of x, and then we'll have dv equaling sine x, and we'll integrate sine x to get negative cosine x once more as our v. And one last time we'll go across the top and down over for our integration by parts, but we have to rewrite the first bit now. Minus x cubed cosine x plus 3 times x squared sine x minus 2 times now in brackets, another minus for right here, x cosine x minus the integral. Again, we must utilize this minus and change this to a positive now, cosine x dx. And then we have to do some closing brackets. Now we know the integral of cosine, that is just sine x, and because we've done an integral here now and we've got no bounds, we'll add a c at the end. So now we just need to finish this up and polish it away. We've got minus x cubed cosine x plus 3 times x squared sine x minus, and we've got negative 2 times negative x cosine x, so that becomes plus 2x cosine x. Negative 2 times a positive sign becomes negative 2 sine x, and then we'll go ahead and close these brackets and add the c at the end. Now we just need to distribute this 3. We'll get negative x cubed cosine x plus 3x squared sine x, and then we'll have plus 6x cosine x minus 6 sine x plus c. And this is the solution to our original integral x cubed sine x. If you have any questions, or if you've got any other calculus problems you want me to try, leave them in the comments below. Otherwise, I hope you found this helpful.